Hi friends, my name is Miss Serena and I'm going to read you a book today called I'm the Biggest Thing in the Ocean by Kevin Sherry. So I hope you like it. I'm a giant squid and I am big. I'm bigger than these shrimp. I'm bigger than these clams. I'm bigger than this crab. I'm bigger than that jellyfish. I'm bigger than these turtles. I'm even bigger than this octopus. I'm bigger than that shark. I'm the biggest thing in the ocean. What's happening? The whale is eating him. There he goes. He's thinking about something. I wonder what he's gonna say. What do you think? I'm the biggest thing in this whale. The end. All right, friends, that book was kind of silly, and I hope you liked it. And I hope you learned a lot about different sea animals. And alrighty, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.